Welcome to the Senior Home Business. My name is Matt Stafford. This is the 5-minute version of Senior Referral Business. Don't leave because I'm getting right to the point. This is not one of those videos I prolong you for 10 minutes to get to the point. Let's get right to it. Besides the flexibility, but besides all the other wonderful things that come along with this industry, because I do this on a daily, click the link below. You can get my company website, the webinar, and all that stuff. Just one click will bring you to all of that down below. So I want to get right to this obstacle that people are experiencing in this industry. And I see in this industry, people like me, they go, oh my gosh, assisted living is rising, it's increasing so much. The competition is stiff. Oh my gosh, man, it's saturated. I've heard that one. Really? I'm just over 3 years in the industry. We got 5 billboards throughout the city. We're killing it. We do more business than any local agency the last 2 years. So I don't want to hear about the competition part. The second thing is it's like, well, it costs too much. Well, dude, there's 40 million seniors in the United States. They're projecting 70 million over the next 2 decades. They have to go somewhere. So just like anything else in life, gas is rising, groceries is rising, other things are getting more expensive. Well, assisted living is no different. They're projecting a 10% increase. A 10% increase. I've heard other people in this industry go, oh my gosh, how are we going to get more people into these communities when they have to pay more? It's already too expensive. I look at that way different. I look at this 10% going, pay raise, more money. If it's $3,000 a move-in, now I'm getting $3,300. If it's $4,000, I'm getting an additional $400, right? Easy math, right? I did real well in math. Don't get me going on English, right? I'm all right, but not too good. All right, let me show you this. Look at this right here. Bam. Now, it depends on what state you are living in and you want to operate your business. I'm in California. So if I scroll up here and go to California, it says monthly cost $5,000. Now, this report was updated May 2021. Okay, this year, this number here is probably a little bit inflated, I think. I have moved people in California for $3,800 into a good, solid private room and an outstanding RCFE, little to no citations, great family intel, great reputation, all the rest. Now, I've got some students in Texas. Check this out. 3,998 is their average, okay? So depending on the percentage that you charge, some referral agents charge 80%, some charge 100%. I started my business with 80%. Matter of fact, that is one of the contracts, we call them referral agreements, in the academy. If you click the link below, you can watch the webinar. But I started off my business with 80%, and some of them still are 80%, but most are 100% because over time, I've given them enough leads where they've increased my rate to 100%. So you would make about $4,000. Now, this is not even considering the increase. So if I go up to California, 5,000, what is 10% of that? It's a $500 increase per move-in. So if I'm doing about 100, which I do more, but let's say it's 100 for easy math, man, it's an additional $50,000. Woo! Pay raise. That is the reason you should be in this industry, beyond the flexibility, beyond spending time with family, beyond starting and finishing work whenever you want to, even though it's not difficult, but it's not easy. You're going to have to apply yourself. So don't let me, talk about this thing like, you just start and finish whenever you want and, snap your fingers and everything, comes together. Well, if that was the case, you wouldn't need the academy. You would not need to be in the Senior Referral Academy. You just get up, start doing this business, start, putting your name out on Facebook. Hey, I help seniors. Get on Instagram, do the same thing. Maybe make a few phone calls. My name's Bill, and I help seniors. You have any seniors I can help? You know how well that is received in the industry? Not too well. I've got students that tried this business for about 8 months by themselves, didn't get one lead until they came to the Senior Referral Academy. We've got countless testimonies. You want to go and see where the Senior Referral Academy and Senior Home Business website is? Click the link below. You can see all that. But I want to get this out to you that rates are increasing, just like gas, just like groceries, just like everything else. Rates are increasing. Just means your payday is going to be a little bit more. That's all it means. But I don't want to focus all on money because you know my heart. I'm more of an advocate for seniors than I am a referral agent. I love helping seniors. This folder over here, we got seniors that we help, right? And these are just, it's full of leads in here. Okay, we got some leads that we're dealing with right now. Am I going to show you those leads? Heck no, get your own leads. Come to me and I'll help you out with those leads. But that is the reason you should be in this industry, is the payday. I mean, it's unbelievable. In the amount of money that you'll make in this industry, but it's only going to increase. So as long as you know how to get leads, as long as you know how to get in contact with families of their loved ones who are in need of assisted living, in need of memory care, in need of independent communities, in need of skilled nursing, in need of a service that you're going to provide free of charge, if you haven't figured that out already. Now you get paid. They're going to find out you get paid. You should tell them. Matter of fact, we're required in some states to tell them we get paid. I just do it anyway because I think it's kind of dumb telling somebody, hey, I do this for free. And if I'm on the other end, I'm going, okay, you get paid somehow. I don't really care how much you get paid. Just tell me you get paid. So I tell all of them I get paid, and you go with it. But this is amazing. So 5-minute version here. I'm going to stop, not prolong this thing. But that is the reason you should be in this industry. If you want to have an immediate increase in salary every year, get in this industry. If you want to make more money than you're probably making right now, because I know the average income in the United States is about $58,000 a year. You want to double down on a part-time basis, get in the industry. Click the link below. I would love to talk to you today about the Senior Referral Academy.